Hi, Bryn here. So here's an appliance that most of us have in our kitchen but rarely give very much thought to, the humble cooker hood. But like any appliance, they need looking after too. So join me for a couple of minutes while I explain all things cooker hood. So a cooker hood's job is to remove all airborne grease, smoke, steam and odour while you cook. Most cooker hoods come in two flavours, vented or recirculating. On a vented cooker hood, the air is drawn up through the appliance before being vented outside. However, most UK homes have one of these, a recirculating cooker hood. A fan inside draws the stale air through two filters before being recirculated back into your kitchen through ducts at the top. Now the first filter is the grease filter, and as the name suggests, these trap grease coming up from the hob and they need to be cleaned or changed regularly. Now there are a couple of different types of grease filter. Some, like these, are made from a metal mesh and they need to be cleaned once every 3 months. However, there are some types of cooker hood that use a different type of grease filter made from an absorbent fabric. These are disposable and often have indicators on them telling you when they need to be replaced, but you're typically looking at around every 3 months or so. So if you're having a really greasy experience when cooking, or worse still, grease dripping onto your hob, it's time to change your filters. Now the second filter that the stale air meets is the carbon or charcoal filter. Now these look very different to your grease filter as they have activated charcoal or carbon pieces inside designed to soak up and filter out any cooking odours. Now unlike the grease filter, these can't be cleaned, so need to be replaced once every 6 to 12 months depending on your cooker's usage. Now you'll also have lamps on your cooker hood, and these come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, from incandescent bulbs through to modern halogen and LEDs like these, and almost all can easily be replaced should one go. Now in order to replace any lights or filters, you'll need to ensure you get the exact part for your model of cooker hood, and to do that you'll need to know your model number. Now on cooker hoods you can always find the model number behind the grease filter on the inside. If you need to know more about anything cooker hood related, you can always check out our other videos, including how to replace all the filter types mentioned, and to order any replacement parts or to live chat with one of our live service team, visit hotpointservice.co.uk.